dynamic attention. Producing voiceover with whom human actor in expensive talent is studio time, sound engineer, and post-production. These are all very for small business and independent creators. According to Mark AI 2025, will AI replace voice actor? AI generated voice reduce production cost by over 70%, especially in animation, training, and audio. Now, let's talk about speed. Unlike humans who read picture, videos, read text, and press, AI can generate hour of narration in minutes. Castle.ai 2025 report in will AI kill the voiceover artist? The AI combat 30 blocks summaries before a human actor call even without quotation. So my thank you. AI can sound to emotion, but this gap is shrinking with feeling from 2025 in AI vs human voice moving. Explain how emotional leader in AI software will resist expression of joy, urgency, and sorrow sometimes even more consistently than human actor in basic commercial context. Let us ourselves. Let's every commercial
about the technology or fix the system that govern it. Next, let's talk about job transformation, not elimination. As Ikakolari 2025 writes on Likanali in voice acting in 2025, AI vs humans. AI voice that has freed humans after from routine roles, allowing them to focus on storytelling and making text performance. And beyond that, AI has created new roles, voice designers, dataset curators, emotion modelers, job that never existed before. Then inclusivity, traditional casting room are biases, favoring the times, accents, and lineages and genders. AI can be those walls according to Replica Studio 2024 in voice AI collaboration over competition. AI allows used to represent underrepresented group by training on diverse linguist dataset. In, Instead of an AI, let's step into a tool for equality and creative liberation. There is equality the opposition, support technical integration, non-outdated exclusion. With that, I know yield the floor to the lead speaker of the promotion.
Thank you, speaker. Let's look at the bigger picture, global creativity and culture. AI voice is being used more and more to localize content from for platforms like Netflix. That might sound helpful, but there's hidden cost, which is erasing cultural uniqueness. When one AI model does voiceover for many languages, accent, dialect, and vocal identity can be lost. Voice acting is an art form. Different voices bring different meaning and emotional tones. AI cannot capture that diversity. If we rely too much on it, we'll start hearing the same flat voice in every country. And when big tech companies control this voice, smaller local voice actors get left behind. Creativity dies when we stop listening to human voice. That's why AI should not replace voice actor. It should support them, not silence them.
Thank you, Speaker. I will close the case for the opposition by focusing on how AI supports global creativity through scale, consistency, and cultural flexibility. Let us begin with scalability. In a globalized world, companies must translate and distribute content in dozens of languages. Hearing native voice actors for every version is time-consuming and expensive. With AI 2025, announced that AI system now supports over 120 languages and accents, maintaining tonal and emotional consistency across all versions. Now, on cultural preservation. Some make claims that AI destroy cultural authenticity. On the contrary, it helps preserve it. With proper training on regional datasets, AI voices can reflect diverse dialects and intonations. In fact, for low-budget projects and developing countries, AI may be the only tool that makes local language production possible. Let's not confuse lack of funding with lack of cultural value. AI democratizes access. AI also solves the critical issues that we call consistency. Human actors get tired, they have mood swing, but AI voices remain stable across long projects. As stated in International Finance Magazine 2024, AI-generated voices deliver flawless consistency across long sessions, crucial for corporates theory. A 2024 peer-reviewed study in the Journal of Retailing and Consumer Services titled The Effectiveness of Human versus AI Voiceovers found that although human voices slightly lowered cognitive load, AI voiceover were preferred for mass production, scalability, and efficiency, especially in advertising and training modules. And the concerns is that if the concern is that AI makes content soulless, our response is it makes it sustainable, inclusive, and accessible. We believe AI doesn't flatter culture, it scales it globally. Therefore, we strongly believe that banning AI in voice acting would be a step backward, not forward. Thank you.
Thank you. I'd like to respond to the opposition arguments about AI offering speed, cost efficiency, and privacy flexibility. Yes, AI can be fast and cheap, but let's not forget AI is not about speed, it's about connection. Voice acting isn't just filling lines in a script, it's a human performance that resonates with the audience on an emotional level. You may argue that AI is improving emotionally, but can it truly feel what a grieving father or a scared child would sound like? AI imitates patterns not experience. That's a cat no code can feel. In the end, audiences remember that the emotion not the efficiency. And that's why AI should support voice actor, not replace them.
Thank you, speaker. The claim that AI lacks real emotion however was up against recent scientific evidence. According to Misra and Risby, 2025 intelligence study published in IEEE Transaction on Effective Computing. AI model using deep learning techniques such as LSTM and combined with MFCC, which can recognize and synthesis human basic emotion with over 90% accuracy across multiple languages. These AI's capacity for nuanced emotional expression involving human voice action. Furthermore, Sharma et al. 2024 demonstrated in the proceeding of the IEEE International Conference on Artificial Intelligence that AI can adapt emotional tone in real time based on context, a breakthrough that enhances AI voice acting quality significantly. In terms of production speed and cost, for AI 2025 report a reduction of over 70% in cost for AI generated voiceover, enabling small business and educators to access professional quality narration. Because AI 2025 compares AI's ability to produce hour of narration in minutes, for surpassing human capability. Finally, International Business Magazine 2024 said AI voice allows brands to craft consistent sonic identities across demographic and language without the logistical burden of being live-talently detected. Thus, AI emotional intelligence, speed, and cost effectiveness in power creativity at scale is impossible for humans alone.
Okay, the opposition may say that AI is just a tool and that regulation will fix the ethical issue. But let's be realistic. Regulation always comes after the damage is done. Even now, many voice actors don't fully understand how their data is used. Some are unintentionally exploited by concerns that don't
Invention and Fire Competition, Journals 2023, SAG-AFTRA opened against Epic Games focus on contract transparency and protections, not banning AI outright. SAG-AFTRA 2023. Harvard Business Review report, Journals Henry 2024, regulate that AI often transform job instead of eliminating the in voice acting. AI freed actors from routine roles, allowing focus on creative storytelling. As study 2025 points out, new roles such as AI voice trainers and dataset curators have emerged, expanding the creative economy. Radical Studio 2024 so AI trained on diverse dataset traditional testing yes, promoting inclusivity, reward ethical integration and regulation, not prohibition, are the sustainable paths forward.
Thank you, speaker. The option, let's say AI is scalable, consistent, and backed by science. But just because something can be mass produced doesn't mean it should replace human expression. Sure, AI can deliver thousands of lines quickly, but do we want every story to sound the same? Culture and creativity are not about consistency. They're about diversity, personality, and emotion. Things that make us human. Scientific progress should lift people up, not push them aside. No, thank you. We support AI as a tool, not a replacement. When human voice actor work alongside AI, we get best of good work, but when AI takes over, we lose something uniquely human. So to summarize, AI can replace human emotion, it creates serious ethical risks, and it threatens global diversity. That's why we stand by our motion. AI should not replace human voice actor. Okay.
Thank you. The proposition claims AI harms culture and creativity, but evidence shows otherwise. UNESCO 2024 report that AI plays a vital role in preserving endangered languages by enabling affordable, localized content production, often the only option for underfunded communities. International Finance Magazine 2024 confirms AI-generated voices deliver flawless consistency essential for law, educational, and corporate projects.
Point.
No, thank you. International Finance Magazine 2024. Oh, I'm sorry. Smith and Wang 2024, a peer-reviewed study published in the Journal of Retailing and Consumer Service, found AI voiceover preferred for scalability and efficiency in advertising and training without compromising listener engagement. Moreover, the 2025 Scopus Index study by Lee et al. Demonstrated AI-assisted voice technologies significantly increase access to cultural content to marginalized communities, enhancing cultural pride and global understanding. AI democratizes culture by scaling diverse voices globally, preserving rather than erasing cultural identity. Banning AI voice technology will stimulate innovation, limit cultural expression, and reduce access to creative tools. We urge you to reject the motion of embrace AI as a vital tool complementing human creativity and scaling culture preservation worldwide. Thank you.